Okay, so today I'm going to be picking an American Lock Series 700. Get this clamped up here, and I'll be using a Peterson Gem and one of the Peterson Flat 5s. So, you guys have seen American Locks picked a lot, but here goes my shot. Okay, it feels like pin 4. Getting a little feedback on. Got a click out of him. Moving up to pin 2, it feels like. Ooh, nice counter rotation. Okay. Who's that? Pin 3, I feel. Got another good click out of pin 3. Feels like pin 4 is our binder here. Maybe not. Move up to pin 2. Lost our false set. Oh, there we go. Picked. So, now we'll go ahead and gut it. Just so you know there's everything in there. Let me just reorient the camera. Okay, let's grab a pinning tray here. Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's open this guy up. It's just going to take a normal screwdriver. Okay, so this is what our core looks like. Normal, standard American 6-pin core, but it's only pinned with 5 pins. So, grab my plug follower here. Let's see. And thankfully, I have the key for this, because as you can see, it was locked back up again when I wasn't paying attention. So let me just get the key off here. Okay, so that's the bitting on the key. Oh, not bad. Let's see if we can get it to focus better. There we go. Okay. Oops. Okay. So, let's see if we can zoom in here a little. Okay, for pin, get these other guys out of here. Okay, so for pin 1, we got, it looks like a little serrated. Whoops. Dropped 3 out as well. Pin 4, standard, and pin 5, serrated. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that okay. This camera's not focusing too well. Let me try grabbing one of these, picking them up a little closer. yeah, not really gonna work. Well, you can kind of see the serrations here, lighting right at the end there, and that. Okay, well, let's move on with this. Let's get on to what we got up here in the top. Okay, pin 1. Serrated spool. Pin 2, serrated. Pin 3, another serrated spool. And pin 5, another spool. Okay. So, there you go. This camera really doesn't seem to focus too well. Okay, there we go. That's a little better. Okay, so you can kind of see the different serrations now in the pins. Where'd those tweezers go? Here we go. Okay, you can see this right here. It's kind of got a serration on the end of the spool. Real sharp serrations and spool. Well, anyhow, don't need to take any more of your guys' time. So, that's it. Have a good one.